Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView for Robinhood. While you cannot directly link TradingView to execute trades on Robinhood, you can leverage both platforms effectively. TradingView provides powerful charting and technical analysis tools, offering over 100 indicators and drawing tools. Robinhood, on the other hand, is excellent for commission-free trading of stocks, exchange-traded funds, and options. We will explore how to integrate their strengths for a seamless trading workflow. TradingView is your go-to platform for in-depth market analysis. You can access real-time data and customize charts with various timeframes, from 1 minute to 1 month. Explore over 100 built-in technical indicators like moving averages, relative strength index, and MACD to identify potential entry and exit points. Drawing tools allow you to mark key levels, helping you visualize market structure. Plus, set up price alerts to stay informed without constantly watching the screen. Once your analysis on TradingView is complete, switch to Robinhood to execute your trades. Simply open the Robinhood app or website and search for the stock, exchange-traded fund, or option you wish to trade. Robinhood offers various order types, including market orders for immediate execution, limit orders to buy or sell at a specific price, and stop orders to limit potential losses. Always double-check your order details, including quantity and price, before confirming your trade. For an efficient workflow, dedicate TradingView to all your charting and analytical needs. Use its extensive tools to identify opportunities and confirm your trading ideas. Then, seamlessly transition to Robinhood for quick and commission-free trade execution. Remember to always practice sound risk management, never investing more than you can afford to lose. Continuously refine your strategies and stay updated with market news to enhance your trading success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.